Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the Miyoo Mini Flip, a brand new handheld that brings that classic retro feel but in a flip design. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox it, show you everything it comes with, and give you my first impressions. Let's get started. Alright, so first thing, let's open the box. And here it is, the Miyoo Mini Flip. Right away, one thing I like, it actually comes with a really nice protective case, which is a big plus. Inside the case, here's everything you get. Instruction booklet, USB Type-C charging cable, earphone cable, USB connector cable, SD card, and of course, the Miyoo Mini Flip itself. Now, quick tip, the SD card that comes with this, you should replace it. These stock SD cards are usually low quality and can fail over time. If you want to do it the right way, check out my other video where I show you step by step how to back it up and set up a better one. Alright, taking a closer look at the device. Now, if you notice any bubbles on the screen, don't worry. Those bubbles are actually from the pre-installed film protector. Once you remove that film, the screen should be completely clean and flawless. So just keep that in mind. Out of the box, it might not look perfect, but that's just the protective layer doing its job. Now let's talk about the design. The flip style is honestly one of the coolest things about this device. It gives you that nostalgic feel, kind of like the Game Boy Advance SP, but in a more modern form. When you close it, it protects the screen, which is great if you're throwing it in your pocket or bag. And overall, it feels solid, not cheap, not flimsy. Looking at the controls, you've got your D-pad, your action buttons, start, select, and your shoulder buttons. Everything feels responsive so far. The layout is comfortable, especially for a device this size. This is definitely something you can play for a while without feeling cramped. On the device, you've got USB Type-C for charging, headphone support, SD card slot, pretty standard, but it's good to see USB-C instead of older ports. Now, if we compare this to something like the original Game Boy Advance, this unit is actually smaller, I'd say around 20% smaller overall, but when it comes to thickness, it feels pretty similar. So you still get that solid classic handheld feel, just in a more compact design. Alright, let's power it on. And right away you get that classic retro interface. If you've used devices like this before, this is going to feel very familiar. Simple, clean, and focused on getting you straight into your games. Now, I've actually been using this for about a month now, and honestly, I like it. Performance has been really solid for retro games. Everything from Game Boy, Game Boy Advance, SNES runs smooth without issues. Controls feel responsive, and once you remove that screen protector, the display actually looks really good. Now, here's where this gets even better. You're not limited to the stock setup. You can actually install custom operating systems on this device, and there are a few really good ones out there. For example, you've got Onion OS, MinUI, Allium System, Sprig UI, and Koriki. Each one gives you a slightly different experience. Some are more simple and clean, others give you more features and customization. I'll leave a link to this page in the comments below so you can check them out. And if you guys want, I can make a full step-by-step video showing you how to install one and which one I recommend. Now after using this for about a month, here are my pros. Very portable and easy to carry, flip design protects the screen, solid build quality, smooth performance for retro games, custom OS support, huge advantage, simple and beginner friendly. A couple things to keep in mind. The included SD card should definitely be replaced. The screen protector can make it look bad at first, not meant for high-end systems. This is mainly for retro gaming. But overall, for what it's designed to do, it does it really well. I've been using it consistently, and it's just one of those devices you can pick up and start playing right away. Before we get into who this is for, let's quickly go over the specs. It has a 2.8-inch IPS display with a 750 by 560 resolution, and it looks really sharp for retro games. You get a Cortex-A7 processor at 1.2 GHz, which handles classic systems really well. It comes with a 2500 mAh battery, so you can get a few hours of gameplay depending on usage, and it also has 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is a nice bonus. And combined with the compact flip design, this thing is super portable. You can just throw it in your pocket and take it anywhere. This is perfect if you love retro games, you want something small and portable, you like customizing your setup, and even if you're new to handheld emulation, this is a great place to start. So overall, after a month of use, I can say this is a really solid handheld. It's simple, portable, and with custom OS support, you can take it to the next level. And honestly, this is one of those devices that just keeps getting better the more you use it. Between the portability, the flip design, and the custom OS options, it's just a really fun handheld to have, especially if you're into retro gaming. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know which custom OS you're using or which one you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.